Hey everybody, Sean here with the latest edition of Beer-snobby Goodness. Tonight's edition, we're going to go with one of Southern Tier's offerings. This is their 2x IPA, which is brewed with 4 varieties of hops and 3 types of malts. As I pour, getting a nice distinctive golden color on that. All the amount of carbonation. A delightful floral aroma. Starting to settle down, a little powering floral note. And as long as we're on the subject of notes, this is incidentally a year-round offering from Southern Tier. It's been brewed for the last 4 years, and I'm glad I'm not driving. Alcohol by volume content of 8.2. This was fermented using ale yeast, the aforementioned 4 types of hops, and so far everything in my notes matches my initial impression. Good carbonation, got the floral hops. The website mentions a little bit of pininess, but I'm not really picking that up. Light touch of the citrus, but that's about it. Anyway, enough of the sniffing, I'm diving in. Cheers. Not bad. The floral notes are definitely on the tongue as well as the nose. Ever so slight amount of citrus, still not tasting any pine. So, definitely one of the better ones I've had from Southern Tier. I've had a number of their big bottle special editions, and my take is often that the flavor's not bad, but they're a little too sweet. So far, this is not having that problem. Anyway, I'm going to see how well it pairs with Frankston beans. Catch you later. I must say, this is actually not bad. I mean, compared to, as I said, some of those bigger Southern Tier bottles I've had, this is nice and refreshing. I mean, the floral note is consistent even as the beer warms, but this one is not overpowering. It's nicely balanced. You know, not too light, not too strong. So, yeah, definitely a winner there. And I should also point out, just because the website pointed this out, this does contain wheat for anyone with an allergy to wheat. So, just a little public service announcement there for the more allergically sensitive. Anyway, for the record, does go well with Frankston beans. And when the weather is 85 plus degrees in the middle of summer, this is good. Nice, light, refreshing beer. As I said, though, I mean, this is definitely not one to be consumed at a rapid pace, given its 8.2% alcohol by volume content. But otherwise, yeah, Southern Tier, 2x IPA, good stuff. So, Yeah. Till next time, this is Sean. Cheers.